Hi, I'm Matt from SupernovaTuition. I am a GCSE Science and A-Level Chemistry tutor offering face-to-face tuition in the South Devon area and online tuition to any student anywhere. My primary role as your private tutor is to help ensure that you've got a solid basis and understanding of your subject and that your confidence levels are where they need to be ready for the inevitable exam situation. I love science. I think it's a great subject to study and tutor, but it's a very content intensive course. There's a lot of material to get through in not always a lot of time. Very often students can find that some key concepts and ideas get left behind in their learning as they race through from one thing to the next. What I try and do is slow the pace down a little and work calmly with you going through your learning and find out where your knowledge is strongest and then start building up from there, giving you a good solid platform. I find this is the best way to ensure that we know where you are with your learning and that it's where it needs to be. I also dedicate a lot of time to examination technique and preparation. This ensures that you go into an exam with your confidence quite high, but also that stress levels are relatively calm when you open the exam paper and you're not surprised by what you find and you know how to answer. For online sessions, I use Skype. This enables us to obviously have a constant conversation and video link, but the online tutoring takes place on an online whiteboard, which both myself and you can edit, draw, text, whatever, simultaneously, giving us basically a complete whiteboard as you would normally have in a classroom. After each session, the materials we've used I email across to you, which you can refer to whenever you want for whatever you want, whether it's revision, homework help, or even to share with friends who might be struggling themselves as well. As far as I'm concerned, they're your materials, they're yours to use as you so wish. I do send feedback forms after each session, which show what we've gone over in the session, areas where I think you've shown great strength and maybe made progress in, but also some areas where maybe performance is a little bit weaker and your confidence isn't quite where it needs to be. So I put these on the feedback form and give you a few ideas and tips and pointers as to how to move forward, ready for the next session to make sure you're where you need to be. I try and keep my sessions as upbeat and as positive as I can. I ask you to bring a smile and an open mind with you, and I think hopefully we'll make great progress. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you all the best of your learning. Please feel free to have a browse of the website and get in touch for any more information or to arrange a session. Thank you again.